Let's finish this project now. I wasn't able to film the demolition, so I'll get right into the repairs. Time for a lot of joint compound. I ironed on some edging so it doesn't look like plywood. While the joint compound is drying, it was time to paint all the drawers. I'm going in to do the sanding. The plastic barrier worked well, so I need only to wipe the walls down a little bit. And now it's time to paint the walls. The rebuilding begins with the center support board. I installed some cleats that will be used to support the one stationary shelf. Now to test the first drawer. Although I took tons of measurements, I found a problem I have to fix later. I installed the slides on all the drawers. And now to add the corresponding slides on the walls. I installed all the drawers on the right sides first, for no particular reason. The left side is ready now. Now I can get accurate measurements for faceplates. Instead of shaving down the drawers to make them smaller, I chose to make adjustments on the wall itself. Next, I installed the faceplates. I marked where to drill the holes for the handles that will be installed later. And now for the final painting and touch-up to be done on the drawers. Then I installed the handles. I'm done for the day, and it's only 1 a.m. In a previous project, we installed vertical shades for the laundry closet and liked it so much that we decided to install one for the pantry door as well. And there you have it, our rebuilt pantry. As always, we hope you enjoyed this project, and we'll see you again real soon.